Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about crucial when it comes to building or understanding a personal computer. The PC case, also known as a computer cases, this is the outer shell that houses most of the hardware components of your computer. Next, structure and design. Conventional computer cases are fully enclosed structure designed for optimal airflow and accessibility. Next, additional features. Many modern cases include built-in input or output ports on the front panel such as USB port and headphone jacks. Customization and option. User can customize their cases with clear side panels or acrylic windows to showcase internal components during operation. Component inside the case. Inside the case, you'll find several critical components. First, there's the motherboard, which serves as the primary circuit board, connecting all other parts together. Next, you've got the CPU. There's the power supply unit, converter AC power from the wall outlet into DC power for the rest of the component. Other essentials include memory or RAM, which handles short-term data storage, and mass storage device like hard drive or solid state drive or SSD. Conclusion: in summary, the PC case serves as the protective housing for nearly all your computer vital organ. Its design ensures efficient cooling, organized cable management, and convenient access to internal components.